What's up, fam? What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? Everyone. I'm glad you guys looked at my videos. My video last week that I was talking about sleep paralysis. I got sometimes I pronounce my words. My dad is from the south and my mom's from the north, so I sometimes my words. But anyways, this is gonna be part two. What kind of part two? It's gonna be something about cleaning your mind, cleansing your mind and your mind, your body, your soul. Um, and that's basically through fasting. If you fast, you're gonna get rid of a lot of toxins out of your body, a lot of bad stuff out of your body when you fast, when you meditate, and when you pray. Okay. Um, and I'm talking to brothers in the hood. I'm talking to people in the hood. I'm talking to everybody because the people that live in the outskirts, in the suburbs, they know about it. And people in bigger cities, they kind of know about eating right and meditation. Um, but the brothers and the sisters in the hood, you got, you have to, you got to stop taking them drugs, man. You have to. You have to. I have a family member that's on it, and I tell them that the drugs that I mean, you know, you just a walking pharmaceutical waste dump basically when you're taking the drugs. And I know some people are on prescriptions and stuff like that, but it's a lot of stuff that the creator brings down. He brings down the water from heaven and nourishes Mother Earth so she can grow the stuff that we can ingest. you know, I mean, there's so many herbs and so many fruits and vegetables that come from the earth that when I'm gonna say the ancient Kemet knew that food was medicine. That other stuff that you know people take, even the vitamins, that's not that's just that's medication, but that's not medicine. I mean, because you have to be at ease, not in ease. You understand what I'm saying? So, and that ties into um the last video I did about the sexual sleep paralysis. I mean, I was eating basically I was eating all types of junk, chicken, chicken from Dodgers. It's a store of it's a gas station on I stayed on Fayetteville in Memphis, Tennessee when I used to live in Memphis. I stayed on Fayetteville Road, Fayetteville Drive. I think it was Fayetteville Drive, right off of Elvis Presley, right around the corner from the Elvis Presley mansion. And right on Elvis Presley is a Dodgers gas station, and it's a store called Dodgers. Well, like I just said, Dodgers gas station. But they had this chicken, man. They had these wings, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, they were good. When I used to really like eat meat a lot, I used to get those things like every week, every chance I got. I got those wings, those little wing dings, party wings. So yeah, uh, you we have to. I wrote. If I'm looking down, I wrote some notes down. We gotta cleanse our mind. We gotta cleanse our mind. Sometimes we gotta turn the TV off. We have to turn the TV off for a week or two. Um, I know some brothers, they don't even look at TV. Cut the internet out. Just get back to nature, man. Get outside. And being that it's the middle of August and we coming into the fall, try to get out as much as you can. Get as much sun as you can. Sun is good for you. I'm tired of black folks always saying, "Oh, I don't want to go out in the sun because I'm gonna get blacker." No, you're not gonna get blacker. You're gonna get healthier when you get sun. Duh. Even it's a song by Earth, Wind and Fire, and they called "Mighty Mighty." I like this song. If you break down the lyrics, they say we are the party people of the sun. We are the people of the sun, and not to discredit Caucasians, you know, uh, white men and women, but we are the people of the sun, and we need sun. And white folks, I think they can get some sun, but they can't stay in the sun as long as we can, because we can stay in the sun, um, because that's in our nature. But as far as us being over here in America, we do have some white um, genetics that have been, uh, well, I could say white. We have some white in us. We have a little European in us. We do, because of our ancestors. I'm not, look at my skin. You know, I'm kind of brown skinned. I'm not original. I mean, I am original, but I'm not like I got cousins in Georgia and South Carolina. They are dark, dark. But then again, you never know. But and I wish I was darker than this. I wish I was darker than this. I wish I was dark like my cousin Robert Ford in in Georgia. So it's vital uh, to get much rest. It's vital to get some relaxation, meditation, prayer, eating more fruits, more vegetables. Even if you eat just like fruits and vegetables and don't eat nothing else for the rest of the night, try that. You know, fasting repairs your body. It says it in the Bible. It says it in the Bible. It says it in the Quran. It says it in the Egyptian, if I'm correct, the Egyptian um, uh, teachings. It's in the Hebrew teachings. Fasting is good for you. It even in the Bible it says that your health will bring forth speedily, meaning that you will get healthy. You know, you can't go into a lab, a chemical. I'm talking about a chemical lab, and whip up stuff and expect that to, you know, heal you. I mean, some bodies it might, but most of the time it might heal something in the body, but then something else may occur. That's why on the commercials they always say, okay, the side effects is this. If you take this medication, it might heal eczema, but then your eye might pop out. You know what I'm saying? Your tongue have cuts in it. You might start sweating real bad. It's just try your best to eat more natural from the earth that God has blessed us with. He blessed us with this earth, and a lot of man's doing. They're doing too much technology. They're doing too much things to the earth that's making the earth um, unreplenishable. So that they're having too much man-made stuff, artificial stuff. I mean, even it's a song by Afrikan-Bambatta, and in the song, I think it's in the chorus of the song, it says automatic push button, remote control, synthetic genetics demands your soul. So yeah, automatic push button, remote control, synthetic genetic demands your soul. So and they were speaking that back way back in the 80s, you know. So yeah, Black Uru, they made a song called Botanical Roots, and they said in the chorus they said eat more botanical foods, don't eat mechanical foods. And they made that song back in the 80s. Um, so yeah, I still listen to Black Uru. I still listen to Peter Tosh. I still listen to Toots and the Maytals. I still listen to the Israelites, uh, Desmond Decker. I mean, I like the old reggae that was talking about something. Even Bob, Bob, he mentioned a lot of stuff about the Bible. He mentions a lot of stuff about, I mean, just eating right, man. I mean, look at the Rastas. Look at the real Rastas that live in the Blue Mountains, or I think it's called the Blue Mountains, in Jamaica. But they live in the mountains. They live off the earth. They eat right. They eat. They don't eat. Peter Tosh even said that he don't eat hamburger. He said it's garbage. Hot dogs, garbage. So, like I said, that ties into the part two of the semen retention, sexual sleep paralysis that I was experiencing when I made the other video. So, you know, find it in yourself to hunker down, get you a ledger or something. Get you this is like my things I write in here. And wow, look at this. This might be upside down. OMAD, 1 meal a day. So um, that's also that's gonna help you because you're not stuffing your face 3 times a day. You don't have to stuff your face 3 times a day. You don't have to do it. You know, you can eat one. It says 1 meal a day. 1 meal. You know. So that's my rant for today. Uh, so like I said, just save your energy. It's gonna save your energy. Your fasting is gonna give you more energy. It's gonna save your energy inside your intestines because your intestines not is not working so hard to break down food, bada bing, bada boom, and it's just doing all the work. And by the time you 60, 70 years old, you know your stomach is hanging because your stomach hangs because it's got so tired of trying to break down food, and it stores the fat that it's just it's like man, when will this person just fast? When you gonna give me a rest? So it's just it's hanging. Your stomach is hanging. Your stomach is like, you know. So thanks for looking at my video, teenagers, adolescents, and guys in your 20s, men and women, black, white, Puerto Rican. You know. Now my next video is gonna be about keys. My next video is gonna be about keys. About keys. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna speak about, but it's gonna be mostly about men and keys. So that's gonna be my next video. Everybody, peace, chill out, have fun, smile, and live life, man. Live life because we only get one life. Sometimes, well, some people come back from the dead after a heart attack, but we only get one life. So be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. So it's all good. It's all love. All right. One, one, one.